flange size is one of the most overlooked factors in comfortable pumping, whether manual or electric. The flange is the funnel piece that fits over your nipple and areola. Too small, and your nipple rubs painfully with each stroke. Too large, and too much areola gets pulled in, causing discomfort and reducing output. A well-fitting flange lets your nipple move freely without rubbing on the side. After pumping, your nipple should look about the same color and shape as before. Not blanched white or misshapen. Most pumps come with one standard size, but many people need a different size, often smaller than expected as early postpartum swelling goes down over the first few weeks. If pumping feels uncomfortable or output seems low, trying a different flange size is often the fix, before assuming something's wrong with supply or the pump itself.